In this lesson, we're going to be talking about orthographic drawing, and we're going to be, in particular, drawing cubes. We're going to be using these cubes for a project. An orthographic drawing is a 3D drawing of 4 views. Isometric, which is the 3D part, the top view, the front view, and the right side. Engineers use these drawings so that they have a clear view about what they're making. A lot of times this can be done on a computer, but for right now we're going to learn about it on a piece of paper. We're going to start with some easy ones first. So when you receive this paper, it's going to look quite foreign to you, but I'm going to help you through it right now. You're going to need a straight edge ruler, a pencil, and a good eraser. So to draw an isometric view, that is always at a 30-degree angle. So if this is 0, and that plane goes across here, 30 degrees is about right here. So you're going to look at that at about this view here. So we're going to be recreating this. We're going to start here, and this line goes with this line right here. And I've already made that for you. So next, we're going to go out to both sides. And remember, it's at a 30-degree angle. So it's not going to be straight out. The dots will help you keep track of your angles. So there's this line. And there's this line. So now we can move along. Now on this paper, 2 dots equals 1 side, or the side height. So now I've made this side, and I'm going to make the other side. Now the top part is what typically gives people a hard time. I'm going to move this over here for a minute. What we're going to do is we are going to add, we're going to connect the dots. And to start out, this is the easiest way. Now, as you can see over here, I've still got to make the rest of my top. This is the top part. So we can use the dots to help us. We're not going to put a line through here. There's no line here. We're just going to make the outer edge. And we're done with that. Now you'll be coloring yours, but I'm not going to color mine. Well, I did color one to give you an idea. Now we're going to move on to this shape. And this is simply 3 cubes set at about this angle right here. So again, we're going to start right here, and I've done the first line for you. This is just this part. I'm going to go out and I'm going to make this line. Now sometimes I make mistakes too, so we'll have to watch and see. So now I've got these 2 lines. I'm going to go ahead and finish my first purple block here. So I've just got the bottom of the purple finished. I can't see the top, so I'm not going to draw that yet. I could go on and do the black block next, or I could go to the red. I think I'm going to go ahead and go back and do the rest of the black. Remember, 2 dots equal a side. And you've always got this reference to help you. Use your eraser when needed. Now I'm going to make this spine right here. That's 2 dots straight up, 2 dots on this side for the other side. And I've already made my 2 dots. I kind of got off here, but that's okay. I'll fix it. So to make these, I'm going to just connect the dots. So the only thing I have left to do is this top part. And again, if you look at what we did up here, we're making this part right here, just the top. So that's going to be the corner. And I'm going to connect these two. Now you won't have the blocks to look at, but I'm just giving them to you in this video to help you out. So I've colored this one and I can go on to the next. Next we're going to be doing a little harder formation. But it starts in the same way. And I started this one out for you to kind of give you a helping hand. I'm starting with the blue block. Now there's nothing on top of this blue block, so I can go ahead and finish the top off. And remember to always use your straight edge. Now I've got this blue one right here. I might as well go on and do the other 2 in this series. So I'm doing the brown and the white. Now I can see the tops of both of these, so I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. So now I've created the blue, the brown, and the white block. Now I'm just going to go, and I'm going to go over here to the orange block. And remember, I'm always working at a 30-degree angle. And you can certainly use this top illustration for reference. And I got off a little bit there. I'm going to move this to the side. Okay, now the only thing I haven't done yet is this pink block, and you can only see just a bit of it. Now I've completed that, and again, you're going to color yours. Each block should be a separate color so that you and I can both tell exactly which block is what. The third drawing is just like the last one we did. I've started it for you. You can use the reference illustration and do exactly what we did with coloring it on the last one. I'm going to go on to the last drawing. For this drawing, I haven't started it for you, but I've given you a starting dot. So what we're going to be drawing is this right here, this shape. So to draw this shape in an isometric view, you're going to start right here at the bottom of the white. And everything is at an angle, a 30-degree angle. And we're going to draw the black spine of the block and the sides. Again, we can't see the top, but we can see the top vertices. Now I'm going to draw this purple block back here. Now, I'm not going to finish this off yet. I'm going to wait until I finish this yellow one. So the yellow has a vertice that goes straight up from the black, and that's going to be 2 dots long. And each side is 2 dots. And I can draw the top now. And now I'm going to go back and draw these 2 blocks. Whoops, I got off my line again. And I've got to finish up this purple. So now I've completed my drawing, and I'm going to color it. When you finish with this one, you'll color it too, just as shown. And when you get done with all 4 of them, you're going to hand them in to me.